Ever felt that stomach-dropping moment when the waiter approaches and you just freeze, you know, like a deer in headlights?
Oh man, Sarah, have I? I once tried to order in Spanish and ended up asking for embarrassed horse instead of roasted lamb. The waiter looked so confused.
Oh my gosh, Mike, that's hilarious. Well, if ordering food in English gives you a similar kind of panic, then you're in the right place.
Because today we're diving deep into the world of restaurant English, right?
Exactly. We're going to break down everything from that initial greeting at the door to confidently ordering your meal and everything in between. We're going to make it so you can walk into any restaurant and order without a single drop of sweat or accidental horse requests.
No more pointing at the menu like a toddler. I'm in, let's do this.
Welcome to PodSpeak Daily, your daily dose of real-world English. I'm your host, Sarah.
And I'm Mike, the guy who still needs a little help with the whole ordering food thing.
Well, Mike, today is your day, and for all you lovely listeners out there, thanks for joining us. We're so happy to have you here.
Yeah, whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just want to impress your friends with your smooth ordering skills, this episode is for you.
Absolutely. We're going to focus on practical phrases and real-life scenarios. Simple words, simple sentences, nothing too complicated.
Because let's be honest, nobody needs a Shakespearean soliloquy when they just want a burger.
Exactly, so grab your mental chopsticks and let's get started. Today's topic is English at a restaurant.
All right, Sarah, so first things first, you walk into the restaurant. What do you say? This is where I usually start to feel the pressure.
Okay, totally understandable. The greeting is key. We're going to learn some basic phrases for that initial interaction. Repeat after me, everyone.
I'm ready, hit me with it.
A table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
Perfect, simple, clear. Now let's say you're dining solo. How would you ask?
A table for one, please.
Spot on. Now, what if you've already made a reservation?
Okay, this is where I sometimes stumble. Do I say I have a booking or
I have a reservation. That's the most common and natural way to say it.
I have a reservation?
Good, and if you don't have a reservation?
I do not have a reservation. It's pretty straightforward, right?
Exactly. Now let's get a little fancier. You want a specific spot. What could you say?
Give me something about a window.
You got it. Try this. Can we sit by the window?
Can we sit by the window? I like that. Sounds polite.
It does. Or, if you see an empty table and want to know if it's free.
Is this table available?
Perfect. And one more for the outdoorsy folks. Can we sit outside?
Can we sit outside? Easy peasy.
All right, Mike, time for a little role play. I'll be the host, you're the customer. Let's see how you do.
Okay, deep breaths. I can do this.
Good evening. Welcome to Delicious Delights. How can I help you?
Good evening. A table for two, please.
Of course. Do you have a reservation?
No, I do not have a reservation.
No problem at all. Please follow me. Is this table okay for you?
Can we sit by the window instead?
Absolutely. Right this way.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. See, you nailed it. Very natural, very confident.
Hey, thanks. It actually felt pretty good. Knowing those simple phrases really helps.
It makes a world of difference. Okay, let's do a quick recap before we move on. Repeat after me one more time, everyone.
Ready and repeating.
A table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
I do not have a reservation.
I do not have a reservation.
Can we sit by the window?
Can we sit by the window?
Is this table available?
Is this table available?
Excellent, you're officially a pro at getting seated. Now, on to the menu.
Ah, the menu, the land of unfamiliar words and culinary mysteries.
Exactly. This is where many learners feel intimidated, but it doesn't have to be. Asking questions is perfectly normal, even for native speakers.
Seriously, I always feel like I should just know what everything is.
Nope, don't be afraid to ask. It shows you're engaged and interested in the food. So, let's learn some useful menu questions. Repeat after me.
Okay, firing up the repeat machine.
What do you recommend? This is a great way to get the inside scoop.
What do you recommend? Good one.
What is the soup of the day? A classic.
What is the soup of the day? Always important information.
What comes with this dish? This helps you understand the whole meal.
What comes with this dish? Especially useful when the description is vague.
Is this dish spicy? Crucial for those with sensitive palates.
Is this dish spicy? My stomach thanks you.
Does this contain meat? Important for vegetarians and vegans.
Does this contain meat? Gotta be careful.
Now for those with allergies. I am allergic to nuts.
I am allergic to nuts.
And if you want something removed, Can I have it without onions?
Can I have it without onions? My breath thanks you too.
Finally, if you're torn between two dishes, what is the difference between these two dishes?
What is the difference between these two dishes? That's a smart one.
Okay, another role play. I'm the waiter, you're the hungry customer. Let's go.
All right, bring on the menu.
Good evening, here is your menu. Can I get you something to drink while you look?
Yes, please, can I have some water?
Still water or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Of course, take your time with the menu. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Thank you. Excuse me, one question. What do you recommend?
Our most popular dish today is the grilled salmon with roasted vegetables.
That sounds nice. Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy at all. Very mild and flavorful.
And what comes with it?
It comes with quinoa and a side of asparagus.
Perfect, thank you.
Of course, I'll give you a few more minutes.
Wow, I asked 3 questions. I feel like a real restaurant connoisseur now.
You were fantastic. You got all the information you needed. That's real restaurant English in action.
Okay, let's recap those menu questions. I'm ready to repeat.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Is this dish spicy?
Is this dish spicy?
What comes with this dish?
What comes with this dish?
Can I have it without onions?
Can I have it without onions?
Excellent, you're doing amazing. Now for the grand finale, ordering your food.
This is it, the moment of truth. No more menu pointing for me.
That's right, you're going to use your words and order like a pro. Let's learn some key ordering sentences. Repeat after me.
Repeating at the ready.
I would like the grilled salmon, please.
I would like the grilled salmon, please.
Can I have the pasta, please?
Can I have the pasta, please?
I will have the steak, please.
I will have the steak, please.
I would like a glass of iced tea.
I would like a glass of iced tea.
Can I get a coffee, please?
Can I get a coffee, please?
I am ready to order.
I am ready to order.
Could we have some bread, please?
Could we have some bread, please?
I would like to order an appetizer first.
I would like to order an appetizer first.
Can I also get the salad?
Can I also get the salad?
For dessert, I will have the apple pie.
For dessert, I will have the apple pie.
Perfect. Now, let's put it all together in a complete ordering conversation. Get ready, Mike.
All right, I'm ready to order my dream meal.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am ready to order. I would like to start with the soup, please.
Great choice. And for your main course?
I will have the grilled salmon, please.
Excellent. How would you like your salmon, grilled or pan-fried?
Grilled, please.
Perfect. And anything to drink?
I would like a glass of iced tea, and could we have some bread, please?
Of course. And would you like to see the dessert menu later?
Yes, please. I think I would like the apple pie for dessert.
Wonderful. I'll put your order in right away.
Thank you so much.
That was a flawless order, Mike. Appetizer, main course, drink, bread, and dessert. You nailed it.
I can't believe I just ordered a whole meal in English without any awkward pointing. This is a victory.
It is a huge victory. You should be incredibly proud of yourself.
I am. I actually feel confident enough to go to a real restaurant now.
That's the goal. Okay, before we wrap up, let's quickly recap those ordering sentences.
Let's do it. Ready to repeat.
I would like the grilled salmon, please.
I would like the grilled salmon, please.
Can I have the pasta, please?
Can I have the pasta, please?
I will have the steak, please.
I will have the steak, please.
Okay, amazing. So, what are the key takeaways from today's lesson, Mike?
Well, first, don't be afraid to ask questions. It's perfectly normal and helps you understand the menu.
Exactly. And second, practice those basic phrases for greetings, questions, and ordering. Simple sentences can make a huge difference.
And third, confidence is key. Even if you make a small mistake, keep going. People will appreciate your effort.
Absolutely. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they'll become.
So Sarah, you've officially transformed me from a menu-pointing novice into a confident restaurant English speaker. Thank you.
You're very welcome, Mike. It was my pleasure. And thank you to all our listeners for joining us today.
Yeah, we hope you found this episode helpful and that you're feeling ready to tackle your next restaurant experience with confidence.
Be sure to subscribe to Pod Speak Daily for more real-world English lessons every day. And don't forget to leave us a review. We love hearing from you.
And if you're feeling brave, try ordering your next meal entirely in English. You might surprise yourself.
Definitely. So, until next time, happy eating and happy speaking.
Bye, everyone.